Hello Uipath experts. In this video, we will see about the integration between the Uipath apps and orchestrator storage buckets and Uipath data services. So what we will do, so we have a multiple requests. So we have to create a form for updating their names in Aadhar card. So here we have multiple Aadhar cards available. So they have to change their name in the Aadhar card. So let us create a new form, build a new application in the Uipath apps. So Aadhar update or modification, anything you can say. Aadhar update. In this Aadhar update form, we have a totally three fields. One is the Aadhar number, and what is a new old name, and what is a new name they want to update. So let us create a display name, a label, that is a Aadhar number. Next, a text box. The style is a full, and here you can bind the a variable called expand, and here it is not creating again. Okay, so something is okay. Meanwhile, just create a form. A label which having the old name, the text box for the old name, and style is expanded, and a new name which they want a new name in the correct name, new name, and a text box, and the finally update my Aadhar, the button. And also you can change the colors, so red like that. So update my Aadhar. Update my Aadhar. So if you want to put some icons, so some Aadhar card, search card. There is some cards came, so let's do this card, even though it is not update my Aadhar. So this is our form. So create a data service. Okay, so and they have to upload a new upload the old Aadhar. Here upload your old Aadhar, or you can remove the file. Upload your old Aadhar. Then file picker. File picker. Okay. Next one is like we can simply so the bind the names. So delete so the old ones. So old ones is created. Okay. So this is like a Aadhar file, old Aadhar, old underscore Aadhar file. The old underscore Aadhar file is binding here, and next one is like again create a new name. So new name of Aadhar, new name of Aadhar. Okay, next the old. Okay, so you have to remove this one. Old name of Aadhar, and this one is like Aadhar number. The old name is this one, and this is here the Aadhar number. Okay, so everything is set up, and go to the data services and create a Aadhar entity, and entity is the table name. So basically, so once you go to the Aadhar entity and create a fields like a uh, uh, name, name, name. There is a text box. Aadhar, sorry, Aadhar, not Aadhar name, Aadhar number. Let's edit this one. This one. Edit this one. Aadhar number. Aadhar number and create another form. So old name in Aadhar and new name in Aadhar. Okay, so old name and new name. So now we go to the file name also. So file name. Okay. Now just go to the Aadhar here. So just add the new entity. So the entity you have to select the tenant and which entity you are adding. So add the entity into the your Uipath App Studio. So once you add your Aadhar data service into the Uipath App Studio, it will show here Aadhar. So what is the next step? So go to the main page, and once you click on this update my Aadhar, there is a events, create a rule, and add a new record. So which record you want to add? So that is the Aadhar. Just drag and drop the Aadhar and type all the information. So Aadhar number for the variables. So app variables. App has the app variables. So what is this? This is a name, file name. So basically the Aadhar file name, old Aadhar file name, and see here new name of the Aadhar, and this is a old name. So old name of the Aadhar, old name of the Aadhar. So once you completed this one screen, if you want to clear all the values, you can clear all the values. Set the values like a set values for all the temporary variables like a old Aadhar and old Aadhar file. Set value, old Aadhar name, new name of the Aadhar. I am not giving the value, so that it will give empty. Old name in Aadhar and set value. Here Aadhar number. We're just clearing all the values. Now let us test whether it is linking into the values or not. Right now we don't have any data, so go the data in the other entity. We don't have any data. Now we're adding the a data here. A number, some number, and old Aadhar. Okay. And you can upload the on file. Basically, you can upload the file. Any file I'm just uploading simply. Click on the upload file. Upload my Aadhar. So once it is uploaded into the data services, it is clearing everything. Okay. We just refresh. It's clearing everything. So maybe the file where how to do in different process. Okay. File having the file is the file name. This is a file type. It's not a text type. That's why it is not adding. That is a file type. So yeah, we can remove that file type. The file type dot it's not coming dot like that. And if you go to the file type, yeah. So what we'll do, so we're not storing any, just edit the service. So is edit entity Aadhar, and you can simply go to the a file name and delete this. So file name. Let's click on the delete. So we don't need that one. So at the same time, so you just I think you need to remove Yeah. Okay. Adding again. Now we have fields like other number, new number, and old number. Okay, now go to here. So other number, old number, and new number. So once you add file name, okay, so everything is set properly. Let's go to the database. So if you go to the data, so you have only one record, right? So now what we can do is we can add a file also. We can store the file also in the orchestrator. So how can you store the file in the orchestrator? If you go to the storage bucket, you can create a one storage here. Create a storage bucket. Aadhar center, Aadhar underscore center. So this Aadhar center contains the files. Okay, Aadhar center contains the files. So once you create a new storage bucket in the orchestrator, so let's go here and add the storage bucket. Plus, add the storage bucket. Select the tenant and the tenant which you want to add, Aadhar center, and click on the select. So whatever the storage buckets you created there, so it will come into this list. See, Aadhar center is there. Now, so once once it is created properly, so what is the next steps? Next step is the upload file to the storage bucket. Which file you want to store? You want to store file to upload. The file to upload is file picker value. Okay, and what is the storage bucket? The storage bucket is the Aadhar center. Okay, so file and Aadhar center. So now let us go and save everything and click on the preview button. So before that, if you see the Aadhar center file storage, this Aadhar center file storage does not have any files. This Aadhar center does not have any files. Now our app, by just adding the values, so one by one, Ketan Singh. Okay. I'm just adding number, and what is the old name? What is the new name? Okay, upload the Ketan Singh's Aadhar. Go to the Ketan Singh's Aadhar. Now just click on the update my Aadhar. So once you click on the update my Aadhar, so if you go to the data service, where is the data service here? Here is it is not data service. Okay. Once you upload, so okay. So this is a data service. Just click on Ketan service and Ketan Singh and Ketan Kumar is old name. And if you go to the storage bucket, it is not uploaded anything. Okay. Okay, so maybe we mentioned in the wrong place. That is here, right? Here. It should not be here. It is the outside. Can't be dragged. So then what we have to do? So we have to just delete. Go to this here steps. Upload file and equal to this is a value. Basically the value and storage bucket is accessed. Now try to preview. Number is like so something like that. Ketan Singh. Singh Ketan. Now upload the Ketan Singh's file. I'm just deleting this one. Okay, click on the upload. Update the get and things file. Okay. Now let us try to refresh. Oh, it is not coming. So it's not coming. Okay. If you click on the update, auto generate file name. Action center, and here the file size, file picker dot value. I think let's go to our main page, and remove this value. Remove this value and try to preview again. Some number, Ketan, sync, okay, upload the file, upload. Yeah, it is uploading. So now you will see there is a progress bar, right? So what is the mistake? The mistake, yeah, let's go and check. Here, refresh. You can see there is a Ketan Singh's images are there. Okay, so it is uploading properly in the storage bucket, and the record is also storing in the data service. And but the problem here is like so it is saving the different name. Okay, so different name it is same. So if you want a specific name, you can mention the specific name while you are adding here. So auto generated name, remove the auto generated name and gives a specific name like a number, but just use a number and try to save the mod. Yeah, preview. Try to add the another one. So another one is like a Manoj Gupta. Manoj Gupta. Five 55129932187 This is a Manoj Gupta's Aadhar card number, and Manoj Gupta and Manoj G. Gupta TTA. Actually, so instead of double T, there is a single T. So you see, it is uploading. Manoj Gupta's is uploading. If you go to the storage bucket, here it is coming the empty. So empty in the sense. So we mentioned JPG. We just say like that is not allowing. Okay, so let it be. So let it auto generate. So because if you give a proper name, so equal to the name of the Aadhar card plus is not, I think plus will not allow. It is allowing but not JPG. Or what we can do, we can just simply use that the file name, the file font family, font name, font style, everything is came. The picker dot name without type. This is a name without type plus type. Otherwise, there is a name. See here, there is a name itself. Name. Okay. You can give simply name. without extension is not deleting. Okay, so what we can do, so we can just delete this one and again try to add the upload storage bucket, upload to storage bucket, and that is equal to file picker value, and the storage bucket is Aadhar center, and here the name is equal to here in the file picker value itself there is a name. Just drag and drop the name, and yeah, save, preview. Now you can just upload the another film instead of Manoj Gupta. Just use the Manoj Gupta itself. Some value which we are saving here, Aadhar number, and Manoj Gupta. So Manoj TTA Gupta. So basically, so instead of double T, he got only a single T. Just upload. It is uploading. If you go to the here, refresh, you have Manoj Gupta file, right? So it is storing in the, if you just download this into the to check, see exactly the Manoj Gupta's file is uploaded. So just try to run another one, Radha. The number is like so 815845421351. Instead of Radha. Okay, so under here, basically you have to refresh it. Okay, refresh the files. Radha. And upload the Radha's files. Click on upload. Is uploading. And again, what is the next one? So this one is like a 51775393944789 is the name. Go to here, refresh. Aadhar number we are giving, and what is the name? So Ahmed. Ahmed Basha. That is a new name. So Ahmed's again Ahmed. Okay, upload. Okay, so if you go to the data service, you have all the records, Ahmed's, and if you go to the storage bucket and Aadhar center, you have AC Radha's. So just if you download, it will showing the Radha's. So all the files, any type of files you can store in the storage bucket. All the data, which is a data table format data, you can store in the data service. So we integrated the Uipath apps data service to store the data and to store the files, any files, resumes, documents, Excels, any files you are using the storage bucket. So we're combining three: Uipath apps, storage bucket, and data services. Thank you for watching.